I have been asked to show which of these two bags I use most often when it comes to like a little weekend away or that kind of thing. So I'm going to pack these items, which would be perfect for one day away, just like one night away, little mini trip, into each of these bags, and you can see what I think and how they fit and so forth. So let's get started. The two bags we're comparing here are the GM Neverfull in the monogram from Louis Vuitton, and also from Louis Vuitton, the 45 KEEPALL in the black trim with the monogram. The items we're bringing with us, we have a set of PJs, a pair of jeans, a top, a little cardigan sweater to go over it, it's like a full cardigan, a scarf, some tennies for walking around, and this is my entire everything else bag. Charge cords, makeup, you know, any hair things, whatever. Toothbrushes, everything. And then we have my iPad and my 13-inch Apple laptop. So we're gonna see how it works with each of these bags. Let's start with the KEEPALL. The KEEPALL is an amazing bag. I absolutely love it. It is wonderful if you really require a zip. You don't have to worry running through airports and wherever you are. I have used this on several flights. It fits perfectly under the seat in front of you. Wonderful. This went to Amsterdam with me the very first trip and I scratched it, and so now that scratch always reminds me of Amsterdam. So it's like a little travel souvenir. Let's put these things in here. Biggest first. I'll stack my shoes. I would like my iPad on the side. Jeans, cardigan, want that on top with my scarf in case I want that for the trip, PJs, and my top. And that all fits in there beautifully. It feels like there's extra room, but it's not really there so much, maybe a little bit on the sides, because you need to have this to be able to close and zip. So that's about all you can do to get this to zip. I do not believe there's any way, shape, or form that this can go in there and still zip. I can certainly try though, but it's not possible, not with zipping. Well, perhaps, hold on. I think I might have something here. It did, it worked. Okay, you could get your laptop in there also. I had to kind of lay it at an angle so that this could come together and zip. Okay, let's try these things with my GM. Here is my GM Neverfull. There it is. It all fits beautifully there too. It doesn't have a zip, but it does have this, which is very secure considering it's only a little tiny little clip, but it really does hold things in there beautifully. And this also fits beautifully in the seat compartment underneath the seat in front of you in an airplane also. But for a one-night getaway little trip, both of them work perfectly. It's a matter of preference. This does have the shoulder strap if you're going to be walking for a while with it instead of just carrying it by the handles. This does also fit over the shoulders, but of course isn't nearly as comfortable. Once it's this full, it's difficult and would of course stick out from your body a lot. So it makes it a little bit more difficult in this case. I guess it comes down to which one you think you'd use the most for other things. Many times if I bring this on a little trip, I empty out my items and then I can use this bag for sightseeing and shopping or whatever else I'm doing during the trip. Whereas this one I wouldn't carry around with me as easily for things like that. But this one definitely has more security, which I really, really like. So it's entirely a preference. They both work beautifully. Thanks, guys.